Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to fix Roblox Error Code 268 kicked due to unexpected client behavior. This is a very common problem and this will be fixed on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The very first step is to do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here type appwiz.cpl. You can type it in caps or small letters, no issues. Once you're done, you just need to click on OK. A new window will appear where you need to uninstall Roblox Play. So here it is not installed, but in your case you will find Roblox and you need to select all the Roblox here and you need to do a right click and uninstall. Once you have successfully uninstalled, then close it, and here we need to do a right click in the start icon again and then we will click on run. And here we need to type percentage local app data percentage like this. Once you have typed it, click on OK. And here you will also find the Roblox folder. You just need to select it and do a right click and click on delete like that. So once this is done, you need to close this window, and the final step is to click on the search icon, type CMD, and then run as administrator, click on yes, and here we need to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Let me maximize it for you. Once you have typed it, hit enter. So in this manner you have successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now one more thing which we need to type, ipconfig space /release. Let me maximize it so that you can note it down and hit enter. So in this manner we have successfully released the IP address. Now we need to renew it. So type ipconfig space /renew and hit enter. So once this is done, restart the computer. So restart is a must, and then come back here. Once you have successfully restarted, open your browser and type roblox.com, and here you need to log in and install the Roblox, and you will be able to play and you will not get any error. Alright, if you get any error, then I would recommend to do a right click on that Roblox icon and run as administrator. Alright, if you still have issues, you can try to create a new user account, or if you have a different user account, you can try using from Dell. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know whether it is fixed or not. If yes, please leave a comment, and if no, then also I'll mention some more steps to fix this problem. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.